Today, I rise to present SCR 34, recognizing the month of April as Child Abuse Prevention Month. I'm proud to stand with the Child Abuse Prevention Center and California Family Resource Association on this incredibly important resolution. They join us in the gallery today. California's children deserve to grow up in a safe and nurturing environment where they're free from abuse and neglect and are able to thrive. Every minute in America, every minute, a child is reported of being a victim of abuse or neglect. In a one-year period here in California, 500,000 children are involved in reports of mistreatment. About 50% of those are neglect. Unfortunately, children who've been abused or neglected have a higher risk of developing long-term mental and physical health problems. And as children are far more likely to need help with special education services and to become involved with our criminal justice system. Therefore, it is an absolute imperative that we address preventing child abuse. The work of the Child Abuse Prevention Center and the California Family Resource Association has been fundamental to protecting California's children and preventing child abuse and neglect across our state. Founded in 1977, the Child Abuse Prevention Center is a state and national training, education, research, and resource center dedicated to strengthening children, families, and communities. The Family Resource Association is a subsidiary of the Child Abuse Prevention Center and is a statewide membership association of family resource centers across California and family resource networks that work together to serve families and children in all of our communities. Working to prevent child abuse and neglect through advocacy, education, health, and safety, the Child Abuse Prevention Center leads the way in child protection efforts, pioneering successful child abuse prevention programs that have become models for other groups throughout California and across the nation. Early in my adult life, I worked at a level 12 group home, serving some of California's most intensely in need young people. I later opened a consulting firm with my late father, who some of you know led foster care for the state of California and was previously a child welfare director in San Diego County. The focus of our practice was working with large agencies to implement programs to help serve populations with barriers to success, primarily foster youth, transition-age youth, and children involved in the child welfare system, as well as families dealing with incarceration. Focusing on addressing child abuse prevention is about saving families from a life plagued with problems that are preventable. Child Abuse Prevention Month is our time to reaffirm our commitment to preventing abuse and neglect, and to recommitting to finding ways to ensure that all of California's children have an opportunity to grow up in a safe and nurturing environment. Madam President, if I may acknowledge the attendees in the gallery, permission to do so?
Permission granted.
Thank you. Sheila Boxley, the President and CEO of the Child Abuse Prevention Center. Michael Williams, the Policy Director for the Child Abuse Prevention Center. The staff of the Child Abuse Prevention Center. Geneva Lahai of the YOLO Children's Alliance. Sharuka Christie, Sacramento Children's Home. Rachel Rios of La Familia Counseling Center. Christy Gonzalez of WellSpace Health, Wendy Hernandez of River Oaks Center for Children, Robert Stanger of Folsom Cordova Community Partnership, and the Office of Child Abuse Prevention under the California Department of Social Services. I thank them for their hard work and dedication to the service of children and families across the state of California, and I respectfully ask for your aye vote.